Imagine life free from emotional and mental pain. Pain caused by trauma, PTSD, addiction, depression, or grief and loss. Now, Virtual EMDR brings the power of proven eye movement therapy into your home. The online self-guided program is easy to follow. It is designed for beginners and experienced users and can be used with or without the guidance of a therapist. All you need are headphones and a computer or tablet with a screen large enough for your eyes to follow from side to side. Sit comfortably, and when you're ready, start the program. Virtual EMDR is interactive and easy to use, guiding you step by step. Choose from the Virtual EMDR Standard Protocol or one of our specialized EMDR protocols designed for trauma and PTSD, depression, fears and phobias, addictions, or grief and loss. Respond to each question using the chat platform. Take your time. Your responses are saved in your session worksheets for your own records. Using the eye movement tool. Virtual EMDR works by using eye movements along with side-to-side audio tones to change the way you react to the unwanted feelings and emotional triggers that are causing you pain, and to install new empowering beliefs in their place. Virtual EMDR's powerful eye movement tool has fully customizable settings. Choose the speed, color, tone, and stimulation patterns that are most effective for your healing today. At the end of each session, be sure to follow the closing steps to get centered. Do not skip this important part of the EMDR process. Well done! You have completed your Virtual EMDR session. After as little as one session, users often say that they feel more calm, have less fear or anxiety, are getting back to their old self again, or are feeling being back to normal. Your Virtual EMDR subscription comes with unlimited access, so use Virtual EMDR as often as you need and for as long as you need. Virtual EMDR. Live free from pain.